So I want to make this super quick, golden kind of nugget. So if you're trying to run conversions on TikTok, getting sales and all that kind of stuff, one thing I just started doing that's been working well is, let's say your purchase, and this is for new accounts. If your purchase is the conversion you're trying to optimize for in the beginning, on TikTok that doesn't work too well. Like Facebook, you can get away with that, but on TikTok, what I've noticed is you actually have to optimize for a sooner step. So for example, if we have a program we're trying to sell and we have step one is the opt-in, or step one is you just land on the page, step two would be the opt-in, then you have the sales page. Let's just say it's a simple, there's opt-in, then a sales page, and then the purchase. So those are the three things. Optimizing for the earliest step possible when starting a campaign is good, and then you create a duplicate. You duplicate the ad group, and then optimize for the next one after you get some data to it. So right now, we're optimizing instead of just for a single page view on the opt-in, we're actually now going to optimize for the sales page view, meaning they actually give us their information. We were trying to optimize for the purchase. It wasn't going as well. It actually works better if you optimize for the next step, because then you know within TikTok you have to give it a bid. The bid will be able to spend its amount and get you the reach and impressions that you're wanting to. Otherwise, you'll notice that over time, it'll stop delivering your actual ad. Even for that bid, it'll stop delivering it and you have to constantly change the bid. So this is how you kind of avoid that and how you get the learning phase easier. Because if you start with purchase, that'll be the hardest thing to get success with. But if you start with the simplest step first and then go to the next and then the next conversion wise, that will work a lot better for you. So anyway, just like a little gold nugget, thought I'd post that.